Hey guys, welcome to HNS Academy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can register for DigiSkills and then how you can enroll in the current batch, which is batch 10. So I'm going to show you step by step. First, we're going to sign up and then I'll show you how you can enroll in different courses. So let's get started. First thing you need to do is search for DigiSkills on Google, and that will give you these results. And just open up their website and that will take you to the home page. Over here, click on the sign up option and that will ask you to fill up the details over here. Over here, you need to add in all the details: first name, last name, your email address, and then choose a password. Password has to be 7 to 16 characters and alphabets and numbers. So just choose your password and then click on submit. When you click on submit, that will take you to a page like this where it says congratulations, you have signed up successfully, and it will say that they have sent you an email. So then next step is to check your email. So when you go to your email, you will see an emails like this which will appear. Normally it would come to your inbox, but if you don't see anything in the inbox, check your spam or other folders, and it might be lying over there. So then you need to click on the link which is provided in this email. When you click on the link, it will take you to this page which will say that congratulations, you have activated your account successfully. So that's it. That's your sign up process done. Then over here it gives you the option to click on sign in now. When you click on sign in now, it will take you to this page over here, which is the home page of the learning management system on DigiSkills, also known as LMS. So this is the home page. When you get to this home page, then you need to click on the my profile icon on the left side over here. When you click on my profile, here it shows you all the information related to your profile. So before you can enroll in any of the courses, you need to fill in all the details. So you need to fill in all the profile information over here: first name, last name, your gender, date of birth. So there are three sections here. First one is personal information, where you need to fill in all the details related to your address, name, etc. And the next option is qualification experience. Here you need to add in all the educational details. And then last one is regarding your proficiency and interest, which is related to English language and which course you're interested in. Now here you can select almost all the courses. It doesn't matter. So you can select any of the courses. This is not where you will enroll for the courses. This is just to show your interest, that which courses you're interested in. So you can select anything and it won't change anything on your enrollment section. So once you're done with all of this, just click on the submit option and that will save your profile, and it will give you a pop-up over here as well that your profile is now complete. You can now enroll for the courses. Then you need to go back to the home page, click on the home option. And on the home page here, as you can see, it says enroll now, batch 10. So you need to click on this. When you click on this, you have options to select. You can check the details. For example, there are different courses available over here. So if you are signing up for the first time, you need to select freelancing, which is a must. So you have to choose freelancing, and then second option can be anything from the other we have around 9 other courses. So you have to choose freelancing and then one more. So let's say you select SEO, and once you've selected this, just click on save. It won't save it until you have completed your profile. So make sure you complete all the details on your profile first and then select the courses over here and then click save. Now another thing I wanted to add here is that if you are not sure what will be taught in that particular course, let's say you want to check what will be the details of the course, then you can click on this button over here which says view details, and that will show you what will be taught inside freelancing. Overall 12 weeks duration, 24 hours long videos, and Urdu English medium both are available. and Isham server will be your instructor for freelancing. So these are all the details. You can check all the details, what will be taught, what you will get at the end of the course. So you can check these details for each of these courses, and then you can decide which course you would like to enroll for. So that's all for today. Once you've done this, you just need to click on save, and then that will save your courses, and it will also give you a pop-up that you are now enrolled and your classes will start on 1st of June. So after this, you don't need to do anything. Once you're done with the enrollment, you can change your enrollments until May 31st. But my suggestion is to just choose one thing and stay with it, because obviously the number of seats which are available are slowly filling up. So if you choose something and then change it later on, then you might end up having some enrollment issues. So just select something and then stick with it. So that's all for today. I'm just going to show you another thing over here. If we search for DigiSkills, and on the home screen, if you scroll down on their website, you can see how many seats are currently available. So currently there are over 100,000 seats available. So there are quite a few available right now, but almost half of the seats, more than half of the seats are already filled up. So hurry up before the seats run out, because it is available on first come first serve basis. So once all the seats are filled up, you won't be able to sign up for DigiSkills. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked it, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe the channel so you get notified for any upcoming videos like this. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.